See, vitamin C! I'm the immunity shield! No colds allowed here!
Stay sharp. My fiber keeps your heart happy in your temple.
And I'm the ultimate fuel!
Let's Teju eat us to be a hero!
Do you want to create viral social media content like the one you just watched without any editing skills? In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the Digen AI Shorts Maker to transform a simple prompt into a high-quality talking fruit animation. We will walk through the entire animated process, from claiming your 200 free daily credit to watching the AI design characters like the immunity shade orange and art Eddie apple. By the end, you will have a professional ready to share video for TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts, all created for free without needing any external editing tools. Let's dive in. Okay, to create the viral shot using Digen AI, you search for Digen AI, you click on it, then you see Digen AI, free AI video generator, and you go ahead and click on it. And you must have registered with your email account. Yes, it brings you to this interface. You must have registered with your email account. So when you do that, you automatically have 200 memes, like 200 credits on a daily basis. 200 credits on a daily basis. So to access the short maker, you click on agent. You can see you click on agent. Then it brings you to the interface that is Digen Agent 1.0. When you get to this interface, you come to this prompt box and you see several options. Movie maker, short makers, drama studio, music video, and so on and so forth. But I selected short maker because it's an AI agent focused on short form video creation. Turn on sentence into a ready to share video or provide public links from YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram, X, or Facebook as creative inspiration for producing original content. So you can get a link on YouTube and ask the AI, the agent, to modify the link and the short also. But what I actually did was to write, you can say, create a viral fruit cartoon that explains their benefit, something like that. I selected this shot, then it will highlight it and I will click, I write it, then I click on submit. Then when I did that, it automatically took me to this interface. You can see this interface. It says, I said, create a talking fruit cartoon, various fruits talking about their importance to the body. You see now, and this is the reply it gave to me. Say, this sounds like a fun and educational concept. A cartoon with talking fruits sharing their health benefit will be both engaging and colorful. Please select the screen orientation first. So I was given to choose between landscape and portrait because I'll be using it for social media short, TikTok, Instagram, X, Facebook, and so on and so forth. So I selected portrait. When I selected portrait and it went ahead to write the script, and it gave me an option that script looks good, start video production. So I selected script look good because I'm satisfied with the script. Then it began the production of the video. Then the next thing is that it asked me if I'm satisfied, that I should start engaging character scenes and properties. So from there, it started designing the characters. So this is the character. This is the fruit characters. We have orange, we have apple, we have banana, and we have the scene. This is the scene, the environment. And the next thing is that it gave me an option if I'm satisfied. I selected satisfied, start designing storyboard, and it started designing the storyboard. See, this is the sketchboard, and before you know, I selected I'm satisfied, start generating storyboard. And it went ahead to continue from there, and you can see all the explanation. Now, this is the storyboard it created. From the storyboard, before I know it, it says satisfied, start generating videos. Because I was satisfied, then it started combining the storyboard together. The various video, it brought them into, it edited it by itself without me using any editing tools. You can see now. And to view it very well, you click on this. Then you come to this interface. You can see full screen. Then you can see the process here also. You can see the process I took, the process from character. You can see characters design to scenes design. This is the background scene. To properties, these are the properties. To sketchboard, to storyboard images. from storyboard imagery to the final production. So let me click on the final production. Let's see.
See, vitamin C. I'm the immunity shield. No colds allowed here.
Stay sharp. My fiber keeps your heart happy
So that
and
is it.
temple.
And I'm the ultimate
Click on
fuel.
it and you
Let's
see
say you-
Oh, that's very, very good. So you can see what happened, how you can create a viral shot. So the next thing is for us to download it. You can see the icon you can see now. You just click on download and it automatically download it for you. And it is just free. It is completely free. It is free without you paying for anything. It says start a new story. So this is how you can use Digen AI shot maker to create viral shot, viral social media shot for your Instagram, for your Facebook, for your LinkedIn, for your X, for your TikTok. For your TikTok. And that is it. You just go ahead and click on shot makers, write your prompt, and it takes you through this process of creating a viral shot. You can see now, through this process of creating a viral shot. Thank you very much. I want to believe you enjoyed this tutorial. Please share, comment, and like. Be the best.